Hi, how to prepare for your upcoming training. Now suppose that you have a training on Tuesday, and this is what you can do on Monday or even Sunday. You schedule in advance of all your emails, set automatic reply, tell the team that you're going to attend the training on the Tuesday, if that is possible, and sleep well. Again, if you can, I'll suggest that because the next morning you gotta wake up quite early or so, and eat well on the day itself. And you can do some WhatsApp, some email, and get ready your mind. Get ready by 8:45. About 15 minutes. Get ready with your mind and attend the training on time at 9 o'clock. And from there, you stop all your social media because you already scheduled ahead, and then fully participate in this. And then you have a break, and then fully participate, and then take a good rest. Again, if you can, avoid social media. And that's what winning learner do. And very until the end. And as I say, bye bye. Your job is not your learning is not ended, because the next day you gotta schedule 10 minutes to do revision. Yes, it's only 10 minutes, not an hour. 10 minutes review what you learned on Tuesday, right, on the Wednesday. Then after that, you can do another review on Saturday, which is scheduled another 30 minutes. You can do your own revision, refer to your notes. So that's the way of a winning learner do. So why is that so? Because that in my another video is that this video here, why I forgot, right, is that it tells you that because whatever you learn on that day itself, you retain. You think that it's a myth that the second day you will retain it. The fact is that if you don't do revision, it will lose 80% of what you learn. Yes, 80% of what you learn. So what does that mean is that you must as well don't come for the training, because you lost 80% if you don't do a revision. No matter how good you write your notes on the day one, but if you on the second day, the second day you don't do any revision at all, you don't spend 10 minutes, I mean just 10 minutes to review, then what happens is that if you don't do this, then what happens is that on the day 30, you reduce you retain 2 to 3% of what you learn. So must as well you don't learn. Must as well you don't come for the training, because if you don't do the revision, there's no point to attend a training. Not at all. So spend time after you learn something useful on the Tuesday, then allocate 10 minutes. All you need is 10 minutes to do a revision. And then on the Saturday, do another revision. And then on the end of the month, you do another 10-minute revision. Then you can retain almost 100% of what you learned on this Tuesday. So that's it. This is how you acquire the Excel or Power BI knowledge. There is a strategy, and the strategy is review at the right time. And that time is not after 7 days, it's the following day. 10 minutes. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Asia.